Welcome back to our smart home audio and workspace gear showcase. Today we are conducting a focused technical evaluation of a crucial, heavy-duty structural accessory engineered to maximize the acoustic performance and aesthetic layout of your high-end wireless audio setup. The ynVISION Point-Design Adjustable Wall Mount 2-Pat, specifically tailored for the Sonos Era 100 and Era 100 SL speakers, represents a brilliant mechanical solution for homeowners, audiophiles, and custom theater installers. It is helpful to clarify right away that while keeping your smart speaker sitting flat on a standard kitchen counter, crowded desk, or side table seems convenient, it drastically limits their acoustic performance. When speakers sit flat against a tabletop, their sound waves immediately bounce off the surface, creating muddy bass reflections and blocking the wide dispersion soundstage that their dual-angled tweeters were designed to project. By lifting your speakers up and securely anchoring them to your walls, you reclaim valuable desk space while completely opening up your audio imaging. The core structural triumph of this ynVISION system centers directly on its high-precision articulation and robust multi-surface anchoring engineering. The kit includes a matching pair of sleek, matte black brackets designed to perfectly complement the curved geometry of your Sonos speaker enclosures. Once installed, the mount unlocks an impressive range of motion. You can tilt the speaker downward up to -18 degrees to aim high frequencies directly at your seating area if they are mounted high up on a wall, and swivel them up to 45 degrees left or right. This flexibility is a game changer if you are using a pair of Era 100s as dedicated rear surround channels for an immersive Dolby Atmos theater setup, allowing you to angle the speakers inward to lock in the perfect sweet spot. But where this package truly outshines basic generic brackets is its complete, installer-focused hardware kit and clean wire routing. Monoprice and other basic setups often force you to run to the hardware store for extra parts, but this package arrives with every screw, washer, and heavy-duty anchor required for flawless installation into drywall, solid wood studs, brick, or poured concrete. Look closely at the structural neck of the bracket and you will find a cleverly recessed, built-in pass-through slot for cable management. This allows you to route the speaker's heavy power cord cleanly down behind the mounting plate, keeping your walls completely free of cluttered, dangling wires. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below to let us know if you prefer mounting your smart speakers or keeping them on standard floor stands.